How to change the display size and the text size that shows on your Moto G phone with Android 15. You just got your Moto G phone and now you want to change the size of it in terms of display and text, and that's because they're very small. So go ahead and bring down this here 2 times and go to the main settings by tapping on this right there. Once you're in this part here, go down to where it says display right here. And as you enter into the main display settings, go down a little bit and you will see display size and text. Once here now, you have the option to make the font size big by adjusting this little toggle slider here. You'll notice how the text is getting bigger as you make the adjustments, and also the display size. You can make it big or small, and you can use these images here to get an idea of what you're adjusting. You also have the option to make your text in a bold text. If it's off, it will look like this here. And when it's on, it will look like this here as well. And one more last extra feature, if you turn on the high contrast text, you'll notice that the words will now have a sort of outline on the text. If you just watch where it says reset settings down there, you'll notice that there is an outline. I'll turn it off here, so you'll see how it's just plain white text, and when I turn it on, you'll notice there's a black outline, and that's what the high contrast does. It depends on the background of the words for it to stand out. And that's that. Like and sub.